Hello guys, so in this video we will talk about our model's functionality, that is sales commission. So basically here in this model we have provided the functionality for different kinds of employees and users to be able to configure it by different kinds, like by percentage and by fixed value, and based on that when they employees will be able to generate the sales orders, and basically regarding to the products or by the product categories they will be able to the commission will be automatically get calculated as per the configuration, and they will be the higher management will be also able to see the statistics for their commissions. All right, now let's go to the sales and just give you the overview of the configurations, that how different kinds of configurations are provided here. All right, so here in the sales settings you will be able to see the sell commission option, right? So we have to enable this option to use the sales commission functionality, and here commission will be paid by the employees will be able to get their commission amount by payslip also, or you will be able to manually generate the invoice to pay their commissions, right? So these kind of configurations can be defined over here. Now next is commission paid on. So basically what is that, on which kind of action you will be able to calculate the commission. So here on the sales orders configuration confirmation, you will be able to calculate the commission on the sales. When the sales order will be done, then that commission will be get calculated. When the customer invoice will be get validated, then this commission will be get calculated, right? And when the customer invoice will be get paid, then this calculation of this commission will be triggered. So this kind of commission calculation actions you will be able to configure from here, and commission calculation based on product or based on product category. So you can be also able to bifurcate the commission based on an individual products or else by a particular product category. So all those products coming in that particular product category will be able to automatically those commissions will be bifurcated according to the product categories, right? So this is all about the configuration of the commission. Now let's move to the main functionality of this commission, how this commission will work. So I am going to the products and we'll take a sample product over here. All right, so here I have taken the product, right? Here we have to go to product variants, right, for the individual product variant, and we will search for the same product, like cabinet with doors. Okay, this is the product, and here you will be able to see commission tab, right, over here. So in this commission tab we have defined the missile admin, that is the administrator user role, and also for Kathy employee, and the related job position will be selected over here, and here the price computation will be defined. So here by the percentage you can define the commission rate. So here it will be defined as a 10%, or by the fixed price also will be defined like $10, €10 like that. So a fixed price will be automatically get calculated when this particular users related sales operations will be get done, right? So here let's make it like 10%, and here you have seen that these are the sales orders, right? So we will create a sales order for different customer like Tico Addict over here, and add a same product, that is cabinet with doors. All right, and I am taking the quantities like 10 quantities, and also the taxes are defined. So rest of the configuration is done, right? And here after that I will confirm this sales order. So as per the configurations we have done in the commission configuration panel, so based on that the commission lines will be automatically get generated. So in the configuration we have selected at the confirmation of this sales order. So here the commission lines are generated, okay, and the rest of the commission calculation and commission pay on sales order confirmation. So here right now I am with the missile admin, and the salesperson is defined as a missile admin, and related all the configurations will be automatically fetched by the system and will be displayed over here. When there will be multiple sales orders generation will be there, then the system will calculate accordingly that also. So here for individual calculations in this commission lines, you will be able to see that, right? And each calculations will be individual as per the sales order line. All right. All right, now you can also see the menu for the sales commission, right? So here by going to the commission sub menu, you will be able to see the commission for individual sales lines, right? And for all the users for which the commission is calculated by the system, so all will be listed and summarized over here with that related status for their commission orders. All of these related things will be displayed over here. You can see that, right? And next, by going to the commission invoice, but before that we will go to this commission payment, and you have already seen that in the sales commission configuration we have given it that it will be get calculated at the times of pay slip generation, right? But when it is given as an invoice generation, so you will be the management or the related HR person, higher management person will be easily able to create an invoice here, right, from this given date, and those all related invoices will be get summarized by the system and automatically will be calculated, and those invoice, after clicking on this create invoice option, those invoices will be get collected over here, right? And the higher management will be able to see all invoices for those related employees and able to allocate their commission percentage or commission fixed amount, right? So like this you will be also able to generate the commission invoice and based on be able to do the commissions payments, right, like that. So like this you will be able to configure different kinds of commission settings, that how you will be able to calculate, how you will be able to generate this commission, and based on which, like pay slips or by invoices, you will be able to control your commission calculation, and based on that system will automatically able to calculate the commission, and different employees will be able to get their related commissions by either percentage or by the fixed amount, right? So this is all about the sales commission modules functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.